Today, I will show you the latest electronic kalimba out of the box. The difference between 17-key electronic kalimba and the traditional wooden kalimba is that the electronic kalimba material is a high-quality plastic and its sound is produced by electronic sound. It has the same pressing feel as using a piano. This electric kalimba has 4 modes, including kalimba, piano, acoustic guitar, electric guitar. Sharp press the knob to switch mode, rotate the knob to adjust volume. It can be used continuously for 5 hours on a single charge. It also built-in Bluetooth speaker to accompany you. You can connect a Bluetooth accompaniment while you play. Electronic kalimbas do not need to be tuned, and there is no need to worry about deterioration in tune quality caused by moisture. It is made of plastic, so it is convenient to use at home and outdoors. Use more assured, not easy to damage.